A day after COVID vaccine was administered to thousands of frontline workers and COVID warriors yesterday, Republic now gets you a reaction from one of the first beneficiaries. Dr. Dimple Dhaliwal Srivastav from the district hospital in Mohali was administered the jab yesterday. 24 hours have passed since she was given the shot, and we go across to her live. Thanks a lot for speaking to us. Share with us your experience. A lot of people in the country would want to know how you're feeling physically after taking your vaccine jab.
Good afternoon. Yes, I'm feeling very happy that I am one of the few privileged early ones who have got the vaccine. I'm feeling quite fit and fine. Yesterday I got it around 12:30 and I had a long duty till almost 9:30 yesterday in the hospital, and I had no problems whatsoever. And since then, other than a little soreness in my arm and a little stiffness here, I don't think I have had any issues. And I also talked to a lot of my colleagues who who got the vaccine, and they have just had very mild symptoms and nothing major to speak of. So all's good.
When you talk of mild symptoms, could you elaborate a little bit more?
Yes, some of them were feeling a little feeling of, tiredness. Some had a little body ache. I myself have a little soreness in my arm over here. But other than that, none of them have complained of anything. And that's pretty routine also, because as you know, in any vaccination, these are symptoms which are expected. Rather, all of us have had, anti-tetanus and shots also, and the children get their routine immunization. So we do expect fever and a little body aches and a little soreness, which is as simple as what we got with the COVID vaccine also.
Right, right. In other words, if we take your example, an example of thousands others, then there hasn't been anything negative to watch out for. Of course, it was just the first day, and different people can react differently to the vaccine. Overall, what would your message be to the community at large? Because despite the first day going off as successfully as it did, you may have heard some comments from the political fraternity, some from outside the political fraternity, raising doubts over the efficacy and the safety of the vaccine. So your thoughts on that, Doctor?
See, with anything new which is launched, even if it's the simplest medication, there are always apprehension in the mind of people, and including us. We are also common men, that what would be the side effects? Would there be anything negative or untoward which would happen to us? But I don't think that's something which has been, so well researched, and the scientists and research labs have been working hard to provide a safe product to us. So I don't anticipate anything major happening. And yes, I do say that my mom does call me up since yesterday 2-3 times to check out that I am feeling well, which is like I think any mother would do. Other than that, there is no issues which have been there, and I would suggest to everyone that the moment our turn comes, we must go ahead and take the vaccine with full confidence that this is something which can bring our life back to normalcy, which has been topsy-turvy since the last 11 months. So hopefully in another few months' time, as and when more and more of the population gets immunized, things will normalize.
Finally, if I may ask you, Dr. Dimple Dhaliwal, as a COVID warrior, as a doctor yourself, the last 1 year, 11 months that you described must have been extremely strenuous for you. Healthcare providers, workers, sanitation workers, and all others who have kept the larger public safe during the pandemic are the first ones to get these shots. It must be a great relief for you and the entire medical community. It must be re-strengthening your resolve to continue the great service that you have been doing non-stop over these months.
Yes, indeed. It seems to be light at the end of a tunnel, if I may say so. And the thing is that it's been continuous work, and we do deserve a vacation. Maybe with the COVID vaccine, we'll get a well-deserved vacation finally.
I wish you all the best, and stay safe. And thanks a lot for all the work that you yourself and all the other doctors have been doing over the last 1 year.
Thank you, and I wish the best for our entire country and countrymen. May India be safe, and may all the citizens remain healthy.